All right, you guys. So next step is to put all the information that you've researched and get it organized into a slideshow. All right. So that is checklist items 9 through 16. So you need an intro slide with your topic, a driving topic, and then the names of everybody in your group. If somebody has not been contributing and is not going to show up to your presentation, I guess you don't have to have their name on there. But as far as all the groups that I've talked to, everything's been working out really well. So that's great news. Number 10, driving question. So next slide, your driving question. Number 11, 2 learning targets. These are the 2 things that you really want people to get out of and walk away from remembering after your presentation. Come up with some sort of attention getter. Remember that you have to have 10 words or less per slide, not counting the title of the slide. All right. Font size, it should be as big as you can make it, and you can do font size changes to bring people's attention to different words on the screen. I would say my recommendation for aesthetics would be to have a dark background and white font. All right. But they don't have to be like that. You're finding a cool template online, and you're going to use colors that pop and stuff. So, but if you're going to use a light colored font, make sure it's on a dark background. Make sure the graphics are relevant and enhance our understanding. Otherwise, they shouldn't be on there. But you do need graphics, so it's not all text and type. All right. And then the very last slide should be your cited bibliography, where you got all your current events, where you got the information for, it might have been for vocab words, where you got all your statistics, cite the study that you're going to talk about, where you've got your information to dispel your myths, all that stuff. So lots of sources. Don't just copy and paste the URL. Make sure you cite it properly. Use Noodle tools, use EasyBib, whatever it takes. All right, once again, if you want some help on seeing what this should look like, hopefully you've already been looking at this, but if not, now is the perfect time to start. If you go into the project information and tutorials, right here, that folder, and click on the tutorials page, you're going to get help right here. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the tobacco prevention example. There's other examples right here. There's also links to copyright-free pictures, music, etc. Articles about different things that you can use and how to make things interactive. There's your Slides Go, Slides Carnival, which is very similar to Slides Go, to choose your template, to find a cool template, something different than you normally see. All right, one of the other videos, I walked you through this as well, but real quick, there's your slide with your topic and names, driving question, learning targets. Again, notice there's not full sentences on here, it's keywords. Our learning targets for you today are to understand the different types of addiction, how vaping affects your health and what it does to your brain, and the different health effects of different tobacco products. Here's our attention getter. Again, as I said before, not playing the whole video, just maybe the first 45 to 60 seconds. And then why it is relevant to the audience, the people listening, aka our peers and classmates. A little history and background, some statistics. Again, keywords here. What is 95%? What is, excuse me, 6,300? What is 3.2 billion? I don't know, so I better listen to the group presenting so I can learn what those things mean. All right, you're just piquing people's interest, and then when you present, you're actually expanding on that information that's on the slide. All right, current events, more statistics, vocabulary. You don't have to have an activity for this one, so you can skip that. More current events and statistics. All right, and studies. So there you go. All right, and then you would end with a bibliography. Okay, see how that is properly cited? All right, so that's it, you guys. Good luck. Get that done today if you can, so that you can start practicing. It shouldn't take you a long time to create it if everybody's on there and helping. And then you can start divvying up the different slides and being ready to present it starting on Tuesday. All right, we don't have school on Friday and Monday, but as a group, you can decide when you need to get together. You can get together Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday to practice if you want. Whatever, you got to figure it out what works for everybody in your group. But I am really excited to see your presentations next week. So good luck, and reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.